Average test scores. This is the second of an average problem that I've done a video on. If you want to see a more thorough explanation of why I'm doing what I'm doing, please look for the other average. It was monthly spending. So let's take a look. Jenny has 5 exam scores of 67, 72, 84, 80, and 82 in her biology class. What score does she need on the final exam to have a mean grade of 80? Remember that mean means average. Round your answer to 2 decimal places if necessary, and all exams are worth 100 points. Okay, so a standard average formula would be add all the numbers and divide by how many there are. We are not doing a standard formula. They want us to figure out what our last score has to be in order to earn an 80% overall. So this is our A. The scores we do have already are right here. Those will be what we will add. However, Jenny is about to take one more test, and that is what we're trying to find out. What score does she have to get on that test? So we don't know yet. We are going to input a variable for we don't know. Now we divide by how many numbers there are. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We'll divide by 6. This looks bad, but solving these kinds of problems are actually not that difficult. The first thing we would do is simplify all those numbers on top, add them together. So when I added them together, I got 385 plus that x divided by 6. A lot less awful to look at now. The next thing then is to get rid of that fraction bar. It's causing us trouble. We can't do anything with 385 plus x until the divided by 6 is gone. The opposite of divide is multiply. So I will multiply by 6. If I multiply one side of my equal sign, I have to multiply the other by the exact same thing. 6 divided by 6 is gone. So we now have 385 plus x. And then over here, 6 times 8 is 48. So with that 0 on the end, that's 480. X is almost completely by itself. I need to get rid of 385. I'm looking at the signs. This plus belongs to the x. I want to know what 385 has. If I don't see it, it is a plus. So the opposite of plus is minus. If I subtract 385 from one side of the equal sign, I must subtract 385 from the other. And I am there. I've got x is 95. So Jenny needs to make a 95 on her last test in order to earn an 80 average in the course.